Hello everyone, welcome back to Competitive Scholar channel. We have already discussed the first part of Supreme Court of India. There we have discussed 50 MCQs. If you didn't watch it till now, I urge you to watch it. You will be benefited with these MCQs as we mostly covered everything and the remaining part will be discussed in this video. So let's start the session. Um, so first one is the question number 50. Which one is an order or order given by a superior court to a subordinate court or tribunal or public authority to do so if it is not discharging its duty? Option A, habeas corpus. Option B, mandamus. Option C, certiorari. Option D, quo warranto. So please do it by your own and check the answer here. Answer is option B, mandamus. Next one. What does the writ of mandamus mean? Option A. You may have the body to be certified by what warrants we command. Answer is option D. We command. Question number 52. Which writs in the Indian Constitution mean to be informed or to be certified? Option A. Prohibition. Option B. Quo warranto. Option C. Certiorari. Option D. Habeas corpus. So the answer is option C. Then question number 53. In the Indian judicial system, writs are issued by option A, the Supreme Court only, option B, the High Courts only, option C, the Supreme Court and High Courts only, option D, the Supreme Court, High Courts and Lower Courts. Answer is option C. Next, question number 54. The writ of habeas corpus is issued to produce a person before a court, imprison a person, order some authority to perform duty, none of these. Answer is option A, produce a person before a court. Question number 55. Indian Constitution enables the Supreme Court to withdraw and transfer cases from a high court to either itself or another high court. Deals with option A, Article 137, option B, Article 134, option C, Article 139A, option D, Article 226. Answer is option C, that is Article 139A. Question number 56. The Indian Constitution empowers the Supreme Court to exercise ancillary powers required for fulfilling its constitutional duties under which article? Article 133, Article 136, Article 140, Article 226. Answer is Article 140. Question number 57. Power of issuing a writ of habeas corpus lies with Supreme Court, High Court, District and Session Court, and option D, both A and B. So answer is both A and B. That is option D. Question number 58. Under which article the President of India referred to the Supreme Court regarding the process of appointment and transfer of judges in the Supreme Court and High Courts? Option A, Article 127 subclause 1. Option B, Article 143 subclause 1. Option C, Article 145 subclause 11. Article 145 subclause A. Answer is option B. Question number 59. The Supreme Court shall be a court of record and shall sit in Delhi and at such other place or places, if any, as the Chief Justice may, with the approval of the President, from time to time appoint under which article? Article 137, Article 130, Article 139, Article 138. Answer is option B. Question number 60. Under which article the salaries, allowances, privileges, leaves and pension of the judges of the Supreme Court are determined by Parliament mentioned in second schedule? Option A, Article 127 subclause 1, Article 125 subclause 1, Article 145 subclause 11, Article 145 subclause A. Answer is B. Question number 61. Under which article of the Constitution of India deals with the original or sorry, primary jurisdiction of the Supreme Court? Option A, Article 136. Option B, Article 131. Option C, Article 134. Option D, Article 138. Answer is option B. Question number 62. Under which article Indian Constitution provides the framework for the rules of procedure in the Supreme Court and High Courts? Option A, Article 143. Option B, Article 144. Option C, Article 145. Option D, Article 146. Answer is Article 145. Question number 63. Under which article of the Indian Constitution pertains to the officers and servants and expenses of the Supreme Court? Option A, Article 143. Option B, Article 144. Option C, Article 145. Option D, Article 146. So the answer is option D. Question number 64. Indian Constitution stipulates that the decision of the Supreme Court would be bounced upon other courts of India under which article? Option A, Article 220. Option B, Article 126. Option C, Article 141. Option D, Article 112. So the answer is option C. Next, question number 65. The power to enlarge the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court of India with respect to any matter includes in the Union list of legislative powers rests with option A, the President of India. Option B, the Chief Justice of India. Option C, the Parliament. Option D, the Union Ministry of Law, Justice and Company Affairs. Answer is option C. Question number 66. Who has the right under the Constitution to seek the opinion of the Supreme Court on the question of law? Option A, President. Option B, any High Court. Option C, Prime Minister. Option D, all of the above. So the answer is option A, that is the President. Question number 67. The advisory powers of the Supreme Court of India imply that it may option A, advise to the President on the issues of law or fact which are of public importance. Option B, advise to the Government of India on all constitutional matters. Option C, advise to the Prime Minister on legal matters. Option D, advise to all the above persons. Answer is option A. Question number 68. The Supreme Court of India tenders advice to the President on a matter of law or fact on its initiative only if he seeks such advice, only if the matter relates to the fundamental rights of citizens, only if the issue poses a threat to the unity and integrity of the country. Answer is B. Question number 69. By whom the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court of India can be enlarged? Option A, President of India. Option B, Parliament by passing a resolution. Option C, Parliament by making a law. Option D, President in consultation with Chief Justice of India. Answer is option C. Question number 70. Judicial review means that the Supreme Court has final authority over all issues, can charge allegations against President, can review the issues decided by High Courts, can declare illegal any law of the state. Answer is D. Question number 71. Judicial review implies the right of the court to option A, declare any law or order invalid if it is in conflict with the Constitution. Option B, review the order of the lower courts. Option C, review the order of the is repeated. Option D, review the laws to see that they have been passed as per the procedure laid down. Answer is option A. Question number 72. The system of judicial review is prevalent in India only, UK only, USA only, both in India and USA. Answer is D. Question number 73. Salaries of the judges of the Supreme Court are determined by pay commission appointed by the President, law commission, Parliament, council of members. So it's a easy one. Just try it by your own and check the answer. So answer is C. Question number 74. The Supreme Court of India has been established under which article of the Constitution of India? Option A, Article 124. Option B, Article 126. Option C, Article 127. Option D, Article 120. Again it's repeated, sorry for that. It is Article 124. Question number 75. The number of judges in the Supreme Court is also mentioned in which article? Option A, Article 124. Option B, Article 126. Option C, Article 127. Option D, Article 128. So the answer is option A, that is 124. Question number 76. The judges of the Supreme Court are appointed by the President under Article what of the Constitution of India? Option A, Article 124(2), Article 127, Article 128 and Article 129. The answer will be option A. Question number 77. Tenure of judges mentioned on which article? Option A, Article 124(2), Article 124(3), Article 124(4), Article 124(5). Answer is option A. Question number 78. Qualification of judges mentioned on which article? Option A, Article 124(2). Option B, Article 124(3). Option C, Article 124(4). Option D, Article 124(5). Answer is option B. Question number 79. Under which article the Supreme Court can issue 5 types of writs? Option A, Article 35. Option B, Article 32. Option C, Article 129. Option D, Article 131. So the answer is option B. Question number 80. Language of Supreme Court mentioned in which chapter? Option A, Chapter 1. Option B, Chapter 2. Option C, Chapter 3. Option D, Chapter 4. So the answer is Chapter 3, that is C. Question number 81. Appellate jurisdiction of Supreme Court in appeals from high courts in certain cases under which article? Option A, Article 131. Option B, Article 132. Option C, Article 133. Option D, Article 136. Answer is option B. Question number 82. Appellate jurisdiction of Supreme Court in appeals from high courts in regards to civil matters under which article? Option A, Article 134. Option B, Article 132. Option C, Article 133. Option D, Article 134A. So the answer is option C. Question number 83. Appellate jurisdiction of Supreme Court in appeals from high courts in regards to criminal matters under which article? Option A, Article 134. Option B, Article 132. Option C, Article 133. Option D, Article 134A. Answer is option A. Question number 84. Certificate for appeal to Supreme Court under which article? Option A, Article 134. Option B, Article 132. Option C, Article 133. Option D, Article 134A. Answer is option D. Question number 85. Special leave to appeal by the Supreme Court under which article? Option A, Article 136. Option B, Article 134. Option C, Article 135. Option D, Article 133. So the answer is option A. Question number 86. Removal of judges mentioned on which article? Option A, Article 124(2). Option B, Article 124(3). Option C, Article 124(4). Option D, Article 124(5). So the answer is option number C. Question number 87. Which article of the Indian Constitution states that Supreme Court to be a court of record? Option A, Article 135. Option B, Article 129. Option C, Article 126. Option D, Article 131. So the answer is option B. Let's move to the next question, that is question number 88. Who is the first Chief Justice of independent India? Option A. M. Patanjali Sastry. B. Meherchand Mahajan. Option C. H. J. Kanaiya. D. Bijan Kumar Mukherjee. Answer is option number C. Question number 89. By which amendment act increased the number of judges in Supreme Court from 31 to 34, that is 33 plus 1? Option number A. Amendment Act 2019. Option B. Amendment Act 2009. Option C. Independence Act 1947. Option D. Indian Government Act 1953. So the answer is option number A. Next one is question number 90. What is the retirement age of the judges of the Supreme Court? Option number A 60. Option number B 65. Option number C 62 years. Option number D 55 years. So the answer is option number B, that is 65 years. Next, question number 91. Under which article of the Constitution of India Supreme Court safeguards the fundamental rights of the Indian citizens? Option number A 74. Option number B 56. Option number C 16. Option number D 32. So the answer is option D. Next, question number 92. To become a judge of Supreme Court, a person must be an advocate in High Court for at least how many years? Option A 20. Option B 10. Option C 8. Option D 25. So the answer is option B. Question number 93. Under which law is it prescribed that all proceedings in the Supreme Court of India shall be in English language? Option A. The Supreme Court Rules 1966. Option B. Article 145 of the Constitution of India. Option C is a legislation made by Parliament. Option D. Article 348 of the Constitution of India. So answer is option D. Question number 94. Which of the following cases comes under the jurisdiction of High Court and Supreme Court? Option A. Dispute between the center and states. Option B. Dispute between states. Option C. Enforcement of fundamental rights. Option D. Protection from violation of the Constitution. So the answer is option C. Next is question number 95. Who has the right to transfer any case anywhere in India? Option A President, Option B Supreme Court, Option C High Court, Option D none of these. So the answer is Supreme Court. Question number 96. The source of the basic structure theory of the Constitution in India is A. The Constitution, B. Judicial interpretation, C. Opinion of the jurists, D. Parliamentary statute. Answer is option number B. Question number 97. The Supreme Court of India is a court of record. It implies that option number A. It has to keep a record of its decisions. Option B. All its decisions have evidentiary value and cannot be questioned in any court. Option number C. It has the power to punish for its contempt. Option D. No appeal can be made against its decisions. Answer is option number B. Question number 98. Which of the following courts in India is or are known as the courts of record? Option A, the High Courts only. Option B, the Supreme Court only. Option C, the High Courts and the Supreme Court. Option D, the District Courts. So the answer is option number C. Question number 99. Telecommunication dispute settlement and appellate tribunal judgments can be challenged in the option number A, Troy, High Court, Supreme Court. Option B, Troy and Supreme Court. Option C, High Court and Supreme Court. Option D, Supreme Court only. So the answer is option number D. Let's move to the 100 number question, that is the public interest litigations was introduced by option number A, a parliamentary act. Option B, a constitutional amendment. Option C, judicial initiative. Option D, none of these. Answer is judicial initiative, that is option number C. Next, 101. Where can the public interest litigation PIL can be filed? Option A, only in Supreme Court of India. Option B, only in High Courts of States. Option C, in Central Administrative Tribunals. Option D, both in High Courts and Supreme Court. Answer is option D. Question number 102. The concept of PIL originated in option A, Australia. Option B, India. Option C, the United States. Option D, the United Kingdom. Answer is option number C. Which of the following is true about Supreme Court? Option A, it has only the appellate jurisdiction. Option B, it has the highest federal court of India. Option C, it does not have the original jurisdiction. Option D, it can amend the constitution. Answer is option number B. Next, and it's the last question. Question number 104. Salaries of the judges of Supreme Court are drawn from option A, Grant Senate. Option B, contingency fund. Option C, consolidated fund. Option D, public accounts. So the answer is option C. So guys, that's it. We have covered all the questions of Supreme Court of India. We are closing this chapter here, and you are requested to go through the questions and revise it to clear your concept. And thank you for watching, and keep studying.